Mommy. Hi guys. I've got an unboxing video for you here. I joined Origami Owl less than a week ago, and today I received my package. I ordered the Silver Starter Kit and the 2018 Spring Starter Kit. Not sure if I've received both of those kits or just one, but I've got the box today, so I'm going to open that for you guys. If you have any questions, make sure to post them below. You can visit my Facebook page, Origami Owl, Emma Preston. Feel free to message me there if you feel like it. If you want to purchase anything that you see, visit emmapreston.origamiOwl.com. All those links are going to be there as well. On my Facebook page, I'll be going live later on tonight to give you guys a closer look at what I received. Now, you'll see me looking down. I've got my notes here of everything I want to kind of touch base with you guys on tonight. Before I get into the unboxing, I want to share my why with you guys. My why is why I chose to do Origami Owl. You'll probably see and hear some of those whys while I'm doing the video, just giving you guys a little heads up. You know, little kids running around talking, and you know, they can be kind of unpredictable. So first I want to get into my why with you guys. I joined Origami Owl as a way to bring extra income into our home while allowing me to stay home with my children. I have my littlest one here. He's my youngest and my last. You know, they grow up so fast. My family and my faith means the world to me.
You don't need to pet it.
And Origami Owl gives me a way to express what matters most to me while enjoying beautiful jewelry in the process. Years ago, I received my first Origami Owl locket as a gift from my husband. I instantly fell in love. My locket represented the love for my faith, the love for my husband, and the love for my children. And that's this one right here. If you can see, I still have it. It's been, I think, about 4 years, I think we figured up. Still have it, you know, still wear it all the time. A couple of years ago, I decided to purchase a bracelet. I chose pieces that represented my son, my daughter, and my new baby boy that would be arriving very soon. Let's see here. Where are we at? Okay. Origami Owl allows you to commemorate any important moment in your life, whether it be a birth, a graduation, special vacations. They can also honor those who have passed or who are struggling and working through something. Every time I attended an event and saw an Origami Owl designer, you know, they were so happy standing out front, you know, of their booth, you know, standing there talking to people about their why, you know, what their lockets meant, what, you know, Origami Owl meant to them, you know, and they just looked so happy. And, you know, I've always thought, you know, why can't I do that? You know, and I've, you know, loved the jewelry, you know, ever since I received my first piece, and I've held it, you know, both of my pieces very close to my heart, and, you know, they mean a lot to me. And so I really wanted to, you know, incorporate Origami Owl into my life. And I'm just really happy and excited that I finally have. I've been wanting to for a long time. And so I'm going to go ahead and get into the unboxing with you guys. Let me get my stuff together here.
God, it's so hard.
Here we go. And we haven't opened this before now. We just received the box, and it's a pretty good sized box. Let me show you guys here.
My mom receives the prettiest things.
Okay. I can pick this up here without dropping the little baby. So you can see it's a pretty good sized box. And we haven't opened it until now, so we're going to open it for you guys. And we wanted to do it here first, so I'm going to actually open everything up here. And I am excited. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's see. So here is what actually comes inside that big box. Look at how cute that is, guys.
Oh, what does it say?
My favorite color, too.
What does it say?
Just a second, I'll tell you guys. Alright. And on this big box,
Oh, God.
I know. On this big box, it says every locket tells a story. What's yours? And so, let's go ahead here and get started. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. I love it. So, when you open the box, this is the first thing you see. Look how awesome is that? That is awesome. Okay. So, let's see here. The box on the inside says, welcome, you're here, and we're so glad you are. It's time to design a life you love. Okay. So, let's see what all we got here. We've got all kinds of things. We've got a little booklet here that's just kind of to help me out. It says dreams do come true. That's kind of some designer help things there. And I did get this as well. I joined in February, so this was part of the February incentive. If you joined in February, you got this Disney plate. And so I got that, and I was really excited to get that. What, baby? And so it says, create a living locket in 5 simple steps. Step 1 is charms. And here is one of the little charms. I don't know if you can see that. There's one of the little charms. Step 2 is a living locket. And this would be a faceplate for one of the living lockets. Isn't that not beautiful? I love these. This is like what I have here. I don't know. Looks roughly about the same size as the one I have. There's another one here. This would be the back of that, the back of the locket. So there you go. Here, step 3 is chains. So here is one of the Origami Owl chains. Won't be able to see that one real well until we take everything out of the boxes. So you guys need to come on over to my Facebook page and check out the live video where we'll be going through that. Step 4 is personalize, and this is a plate that will go in the back of the locket. It says, find joy in the journey. So I don't know if you can see that. Not very clear. And then step 5 is accessorize. And this is, I believe it's called a bangle. And that's really cute. It says family on it. Come back here a little bit. It's not really in focus. But there you go. And here this will be what we have our charms in. So, and then now we're removing the big pink section out of the box to get to what is underneath. And there's a ton of things under here. Yeah, and a sippy cup. Thank you. And so we're going to look through all of this too, guys. And let's see. We have invitations. It says you're invited to a jewelry bar featuring Origami Owl custom jewelry. And so, people, if you're interested in hosting a jewelry bar, get with me. And we'll get you set up, and it's a great way to earn free jewelry. So you can't beat free jewelry. What, baby?
What is that?
It comes with thank you cards to send out as well. It comes with the takeout boxes.
What's that? What's a takeout box?
It's for you to put jewelry and things in when people for them. And these are the little fortune cookies, I believe they're called. And you just pop those open, and your locket and things can fit inside those. It says, today happiness has found you, and I'm not sure what this is, but we're going to open it and see. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it opens. Oh yeah, it opens. Alright, it says, and it's really cute.
Leave it there.
It says, let me see if there's anything else on the box. I don't believe there is. But it says, sprinkle some sparkle, add a little stardust. And it's very cute. It has a little owl. It says believe. There's a couple different things. It looks like a unicorn, some stardust, and some other little cute things in there. I don't know if you can see. all that. Those are really cute. And we'll look through that a little better later. What, baby? Yeah. And let's see. We have... Not sure what this is either, but we'll open it and see. A little hard to open. Oh, and these are the little votives that you can, Michael and Julie, sip it.
Yes.
And we have the little votives that for people when they're picking out their charms, you can place your little charms in there, and that's what that is. I'm not going to take all those out, but you get those as well. You get, let's see what this will be.
Can't even eat it yet.
This, I believe, is my spring kit. This is my spring kit. So I'm not going to get into that just yet because that's not exactly part of the starter kit. So, and then here is another thing here. We're going to open that in a second. Here are the, I think they're called takeout menus. The Origami Owl book. It's got all the nice things, and it's got the new spring 2018 items in it. So, got those. And, yep, don't be doing that. Let's see. Okay. And then we've got these. I'm not going to completely open them, but these are like the little tweezers that help you pick up your charms. That way you can put them in your little votives and put them in your lockets. It comes with, looks like some booklets off of some like learning stuff for me. I'm going to sit that there. I'm running out of room here. Alright. And this is some more stuff kind of for me. There's a planner book and things like that in there. Alright. And let's see, make sure I'm not forgetting anything.
Thank you.
Make sure. And I love this little box. I'm definitely going to keep it and incorporate it some way into my display when I set up my jewelry. So, this is the actual jewelry expansion thing. It says jewelry pack expansion. I'm guessing this is the more of the kit itself, the silver kit that I chose. So this is more of the jewelry and things for that. So I'm going to clear some of this out of the way here. And then I'm going to kind of open that. I'm not going to go through everything in detail, but I am going to kind of show you guys what I received. This is some of the new charms. Some Swarovski crystal, stardust, and things like that. I mean, I don't know if I'll try to show you guys that there. These are all charms. And that's a lot of charms. I can't remember exactly how many. I'll have to check on that for you. But it depends on which starter kit you choose. That's what